Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will create a stunning simple landscape using acrylic paints, perfect for beginners or anyone look for a relaxing painting session. So here what we will paint. We will start with a blue sky. We use the sky blue and white color for the smooth texture and the light blue sky as the background. This gradual blending of colors will give it a soft and airy feel. So the next we will paint delicate clouds in the foreground using a mix of grey, soft blue and white. I will show you the easy techniques to shape the clouds and creating depth, making them look fluffy and realistic. Moving to the lower part of the canvas, we will create a vibrant green area with gentle brush stroke to add textures and dimensions. This will serve as the base of our natural scenery. To complete the painting, we will add the two beautiful trees on the right side of the canvas. Using a mix of green and brown, we will paint details, branches and leaves that brings life and charm to the scene. These are the very easy way to paint these trees. These are very easy techniques to paint the trees like this. We will add these vibrant colors in the nature. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a beautiful, peaceful landscape paintings that you can be proud of. So let's paint together